Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to check Monzo credit score. First, make sure your Monzo app is updated to the latest version. Open the app and log into your account. Once you're in, tap the Home tab at the bottom of the screen. Look for Credit Score or Credit Tracker. You'll usually see it near the top or in a section called Your Credit Score. What you'll see: if you're on the free plan, you'll see your TransUnion credit score. If you're on a paid plan like Extra, Perks, or Max, you get access to all three credit scores from TransUnion, Experian, and Equifax. Each of them gives you a slightly different score and helpful insights. And that's it. That's how to check Monzo credit score. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.